Axel says that's the last of the animals, but they all need to be put into the corral.
Well, nothing gathers a crowd faster than a good hoedown. Do you think we can remember all the letter names?
Yeah!
Letters sound hoedown. Grab your partner and go. Athletic alligator, letter A.
A makes the A sound.
Bouncing bear, letter B.
B makes the B sound.
Colorful camel, letter C.
C makes the C sound.
Dancing dolphin, letter D.
D makes the D sound. Ooh. Letter sound, hold down.
Elegant elephant, letter E.
E makes the E sound.
Funny fox, letter F.
F makes the F sound.
Galloping goose, letter G.
G makes the G sound.
High-pitched horse, letter H.
H makes the H sound. Ooh. Letter sound, hold down.
Itchy iguana, letter I.
I makes the I sound.
Jump roping jaguar, letter J.
Hey everyone, I'm Clint Graves with L2 Realty Inc. We're here on the west side of K County. We're standing on 88.
A makes the J sound.
Kissing kangaroo, letter K.
K. Letter sound, hold down.
Letter H.
H makes the H sound. Ooh. Letter sound, hold down.
Itchy iguana, letter I.
I makes the I sound.
Jump roping jaguar, letter J.
J makes the J sound.
Kissing kangaroo, letter K.
K makes the K sound.
Laughing lobster, letter L.
L makes the O sound. Ooh. Grab a sound and come on down. Ooh. Letter sound, hold down.
Messy mouse, letter M.
M makes the sound.
Noisy newt, letter N.
N makes the sound.
Odd otter, letter O.
O makes the O sound.
Picky pig, letter P.
P makes a P sound. Ooh. Grab a sound and come on down. Ooh. Letter sound, hold down.
Quiet quail, letter Q.
Q makes the Q sound.
Rockin' reindeer, letter R.
R makes the sound.
Sad seal, letter S.
S makes the sound.
Tired turkey, letter T.
T makes the T sound. Ooh. Grab a sound and come on down. Ooh. Letter sound, hold down.
Umbrella bird, letter U.
U makes the sound.
Violet vulture, letter V.
V makes the sound.
Well, just 4 more letters to go. Whiny walrus, letter W.
W makes the sound.
Extraordinary ox, letter X.
X makes the sound.
Yakety yak, letter Y.
Y makes the sound. Zippy zero, letter Z. Z makes the sound.
Well, now we've come to the end of the line. Everybody have a good time. Thanks for singing along with me.
We learned the sounds from A to Z. Letter sound and come on down. Letter sound, hold down.
Thanks, Axel. What a crazy day.
Hey, can we play one more game before it gets dark? Yeah, see if you can guess what I am. Oh, you're the athletic alligator. And Violet's the elegant elephant. But what are you, Scout? Well,